Welcome back to a new episode of the AJ Show, and today on the show, get yourself a beverage, sit back, relax, because we're going to talk a little bit about tech. And what I mean by tech is, we got a brand new monitor. Roll it. We're doing some construction around the office area. Got a brand new printer over here by Canon. Black Friday deal, $34 at Walmart. We got, of course, the built server modem, which will be switching to fiber optic here in December, specifically December 4th, which is on the docket to go fiber optic here at the house. We get rid of cable internet. Hard drive, router sitting over there. I've added in another desk over here for computer related things, specifically laptop. So today, let's go ahead and open up this box, this brand new Sceptre. I don't even know how you pronounce that. Sceptre? I don't know how you pronounce it. 22-inch LED monitor, Black Friday deal on Amazon, $66. With some rewards, of course, built it from Amazon, dropped it down to about 33 bucks. Couldn't pass that up. So, let's do it. There we go. For the size of the desk, it's actually a good size. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, so here it is. Back side, this is where we're going to anchor the stand. HDMI 2, HDMI 1, VGA. We're not going to use VGA. You've got HDMI audio in and audio out. Already has built-in speakers, which is nice. Your controller on this side here. And of course, this sleek looking screen for your laptop needs. So we're going to go ahead and get this put together real quick. Got your adapter for the power source, which we got plug-in outlets. Got at least one extra slot left over here. Really nice screwdriver. Really like that. See, we got the brand logo on there too for the monitor. HDMI cable, awesome-o. traditional eggnog. So these are wall mount screws, so if we ever want to, well, not over here, I may get one of those desk mounts to hang it on and just have it hang out. But for right now, we'll just use the stand until I decide whatever it is I want to decide on how I want to position this monitor. I think we'll do HDMI 1. Makes the most sense. Take this extra wire, tie it on to the wires. Got the power source. Gotta get the power adapter, of course. All right, so we got the monitor all set up. So the thing we need to do is we want to extend the display. So we are going to go into display settings. It says duplicate. We want to switch it to extend these displays. Well, I guess you can see it on a laptop as well, but there we go. I'm going to hit extend. There we go. We're going to keep changes. Make sure we're good. And yep. We are now operating with dual monitors. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the brand new Tech Corner Desk 1, Desk 2 with the new monitor in place. It's a very beautiful monitor, very nice. Laptop with it connected to it. Wireless mouse, Legend of Zelda mat right here. Actually I was going to use that for my office at work. I decided to take it for this personal office. You may think it's something else for the workspace at my job. And of course over here you got brand new printer, Canon printer, the server, modem, extra hard drive here, router, on the day's work. It's a beautiful setup, beautiful rig for a tech person like me, having a nice central location for an office. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Pick you up one of these monitors. They're on sale for Black Friday. Go get it on Amazon. And take care.